From that 18-page document publicly released just hours ago, we learned police found a knife sheath on the bed next to Madison Mogen. That is a piece of evidence that held a minuscule clue with huge significance. For the first time, police have confirmed the role DNA played in identifying their suspect, Bryan Kohberger. The 18-page affidavit says Idaho's state lab found a single source of male DNA, labeled suspect profile, on the button snap of a knife sheath left at the crime scene.
The reason DNA is so compelling is because it is a unique signature. Unless you have an identical twin, no one has your exact DNA.
Cece Moore is the chief genetic genealogist with Parabon. She pioneered the genetic technology used in solving cases like the Golden State Killer. The techniques can crack a case with a tiny sample of DNA.
Based on the affidavit in this case, it looks like touch DNA is likely what they had to work with. That's just skin cells.
Kohberger's affidavit shows 3 days before his arrest, December 27th, Pennsylvania agents took trash from his parents' home in Albrightsville.
The Supreme Court, the federal Supreme Court, has ruled that when we throw something away, we are abandoning that. So we are abandoning our DNA everywhere we go. And it has been ruled, at least so far, that that's fair game for law enforcement.
That garbage was sent to the Idaho State Lab, and within a day, the lab had another DNA profile.
It certainly appears that they retrieved his father's DNA from the trash.
Investigators report at least 99.9998% of the male population would be expected to be excluded from the possibility of being the suspect's biological father. So can you break that down for me?
Those are the ones that we hear in court. Those are the ones we hear law enforcement using as evidence that there's a 1 in huge number chance that anybody else could be that DNA contributor or be the parent of that DNA contributor.
And Moore tells me mention of any genetic technology possibly used in this case was correctly and probably on purpose left out of the affidavit because it's only a tip, not what actually leads to an arrest. Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.